Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. My name is Lay. I am a mother of two and we are a family of four on a financial journey of becoming completely debt free, where we plan on paying off over $30,000 of debt and taking you guys step by step and payment by payment along the way, and while also navigating motherhood and living the life and living moment while also, taking care of business. So if that is something that interests you, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and I really hope you enjoy this content and decide to stay. And if you guys are returning, thank you guys so much for your continued support as we navigate through this journey. So in today's video, I am getting everything set up. I got a lot of questions on my Instagram on how do you get started, what should you do with your extra cash, how do you make that transition, and so that is all what this video is going to be about. In my last budget with me, I kind of talk about how I fight with going full cash mode and full debit card mode, and really there is no right or wrong way to do it. I've noticed with our family that when we use a physical card, we just swipe, and we don't notice it truly until all the pending transactions have posted, and we sit there and realize, oh my goodness, what have we done? And so cash is kind of king in our family as far as debt payoff goes. And also, I have two littles. I have a 3-year-old and a 1-year-old, and I talk about mom guilt a lot on this page because, as you guys know, I do work quite a bit. Now, I do work at home, which makes it a little bit easier, but still that mom guilt's there. And so, overcompensating on purchasing items. And so having that limit there has been really beneficial. So because we're transitioning back to doing fully cash, I thought this would be a great video to kind of get everything set up. If you are new to the cash envelope community or doing the method or want to try it out, this video is definitely for you. I'm also going to be sharing some of my favorite small businesses and kind of just truly walking through the steps, how I get my envelopes ready, because we have payday coming up. Today's the last day of June, and June was a 3 payday month, so I just want to get everything ready before I head to the bank and before we close out the month of June and start the month of July. So I did get some happy meals. So I guess first and foremost, I'll start off with my current cash envelope system. So this system is by Taylor Budgets. This is the A7, otherwise known as the pocket version. I know a lot of people love it. I do too. And so I just have her little, what do you call it? Dashboard, and it says keeps calm and stay in budget. You guys, that's been so beneficial for me when I think that I need a coffee or that I just need something extra. If it's not in the budget, it's been really helpful. And then it just has a little flyleaf and our envelopes. So we have gas, groceries, household, here, let me turn it, household, coffee, eating out, family fun, miscellaneous, and car maintenance. Now, as you guys notice, I have quite a bit of cash envelopes, and because the A7 is drastically smaller than a personal size planner, that means that you have to fold your bills. So this planner gets really bulky, super duper fast, and sometimes it's just not for me, especially when you have to take all of them out and putting the funds back in there. It could just be a lot. So that is one of the cons to the A7. So what I had purchased, this is the Moterm Hobonichi Weeks cover, and as I open it up, you guys, I was truly using this as a planner. This is my Hobonichi Weeks. I absolutely love it. As a busy mom, I have everything I need there, from appointments to sports to work to side hustle to social media. Just having everything in one place has been really nice. And then I have a space for my license, my CHL, my debit cards, all of that good stuff in here. So what I'm going to do is, because I have my Hobonichi, I'm going to be turning this into my cash envelope system. I need a planner just for my day-to-day. I know for me, it makes a lot of sense when I am having a planner and just having everything together. So if I need to leave a note that we got an oil change or a tire rotation, I have my planner readily available, and this planner allows it. So when you're looking at this planner, it does not have rings. So luckily I was able to get this. This was from my Filofax Stefano Compact. I know Amazon, you can get them by themselves, and it just can slide in the back. at least that's how I saw other people utilize it. So let's go ahead and see the cash envelopes I currently got. So this is a sinking fund dashboard. So I'm just going to put that aside for my sinking fund binder. We'll touch base in a little bit. And these are the cash envelopes that I got. You guys, these have to be some of the most amazing quality cash envelopes I think I've ever had. They're so durable. You could tell these are dry. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot her name. Let me see. Oh, here we go. This is by Trang's Plans, and I'll go ahead and link it down below. Absolutely love it. You can buy it in a set, the tabs like I did, and some singles if you don't need them all. So I have, as we can see, I have gas, groceries, household, kids, and eating out. Those are my 5 main cash envelopes. So if it comes down to it, those are the ones that I really only need to be stuffing to have my budget flow together. And then I also got 2 additional ones, and that is coffee and family fun. So I'm just going to go ahead and put those in here. Put those in the back. And let's see if this worked, because I got mixed reviews on my social media if it would work or not. Is it gonna work? Let's see. I think my pen might be making it a little bit more difficult. Okay, so let's try it without the pen. Okay, so it does close. It does kind of make me nervous with the tabs, but I do like it. I like it for the simple fact that if I were to go into the grocery store or the gas station, because we don't pump our gas where I live, I can easily grab the tab and it is good to go. So I absolutely love that. And so my cash envelope system is ready to go. She also offers this thing where you can have your sinking funds. I'm assuming you could also do it for your cash envelopes as well. And it pretty much be your guide. Because our variable expenses in our household does not change week to week as we stuff on a weekly basis, I wouldn't need that because I know how much we stuff. But our sinking funds, these are the amounts to hit our financial goals throughout the year. Since we have switched our financial goals what seems like a million times. So we have our home, holidays, birthdays, Christmas, mini-me, which is our daughter, mama, hubby, and little man, pets, and car maintenance. And this planner is what I use to house all of it. This is also by Taylor Budgets. A lot of things are going on in this planner. So let me go ahead and put this in here. It's a little weird because I used to be a full-on cash envelope and sinking fund user, and then I went to high yield savings. So I think now I'm going to do a little bit of a hybrid of the two, but nevertheless still, you know, save and pay off debt and reach those financial goals. And I notice when I'm doing it in cash, I help reach those milestones a lot quicker when I'm staying motivated and what I'm seeing. So for our sinking funds, these are the main ones that we have. So we have our home, anything for the home that we need, holidays, birthdays, Christmas, mini-me, mama, hubby, little man, pets, and car maintenance. And this gets stuffed on a weekly basis. So every time that I stuff it with you guys on a weekly basis, that is what I have. And then I also, if you guys remember back in my cash stuffing days, I would do unstuffings. And so what unstuffings are is where you take your cash envelopes at the end of your week, pay period, or month, whatever you see that fits best, and you go through them. And if you have any leftover money, let's say, for example, like I have some leftover cash and today's payday. So let's see how much I have left over. It's been a rough week. I have $8, right? So I can decide, okay, Lay, what would I like to do with this $8? Would I like to leave it back in the gas envelope or the groceries envelope or wherever it came from? Or would I like to apply it to something else? So I also got these, which are little savings challenges, and I'm just using my Filofax Meldon to house them. And I have a $1 savings challenge, a $5 savings challenge, a $10 savings challenge, and a $20 savings challenge. So my goal is to help me stay accountable and keep me accountable is each week when I do our weekly stuffing and our weekly stuffing for our cash envelopes and our sinking funds, I'll also be doing an unstuffing. And because of the denominations, I should be able to hit these goals. As always, you guys, when we do savings challenges, my husband and I, we normally don't assign it a goal right away. We normally wait until the challenge is finished and then we decide what we would like to use the funds for. But I absolutely love savings challenges. There's so many great ones out there, from the 52-week to the penny challenge to the 100 envelopes to the nickel challenge. So whatever your budget is, whatever your income is, whatever your natural rollover amount is, depending on what your financial goals are, there will be a savings challenge for you as well. This was just a bundle set that I got off of Etsy. And because I'm a cash envelope user family, we're a cash envelope user family, and I'm a little competitive with myself, I'm just going to only keep those in here because I know that those are going to fill up quite a bit. So let me go ahead and put everything back. Oh, you guys, I'm so excited to get started back with cash envelopes and cash stuffing. I'm a little nervous, but what is a better way to do it, right? We're halfway through the month of July. Sorry, not the month of July. We're halfway through 2023, and it's now or never to really hit those financial goals and just make sure that whatever we're wanting to be for 2023, we're really pushing ourselves in gear to make that happen. So I'm super excited to kind of get my cash envelopes set up with you guys, our rollover binder with the savings challenges that we're going to be doing, and our sinking fund. Our sinking fund dashboard to show our weekly amounts. And I'm super duper excited because, as always, you guys, when I budget, I always budget the lowest amount. And so a lot of times when we do our weekly stuffings, we're actually stuffing more than that's budgeted. So definitely stay tuned to those to see the savings challenges. I know a lot of you guys are really interested in debt updates, so I will start implementing those again. And I'm really excited. So how are you guys feeling for the first half of 2023? Are we feeling strong, feeling good? Or are you like me where you need to take a moment, pause, reevaluate how you're doing things, switch it up so you can hit those goals that you know that you can do. So that is going to be it for setting up my cash envelope binder, for getting back into the cash envelope system and going full force for the next 6 months of the year. If you guys are on a financial journey as well, please let me know in the comments. I'd love to support you and your channel, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.